Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can enable the live caption feature for websites you visit on Google Chrome browser. So let us get started right away. Launch the Chrome web browser and click on these three dots in the top right. And after that, click into settings to access your browser settings. Here inside your browser settings, head over to the accessibility tab here on the left-hand side. And what you want to do here, guys, is simply enable the live caption as well as the live translation feature if you'd like to use both of these by toggling them on here to the right. You may, for example, go a bit more in depth and add specific languages you would like to conduct or make these live captions in, like, for example, supported live action languages can be examined here by clicking on add languages. So as you can see, they support these languages for live captions so far. So simply enable the language you would like to use here by selecting the checkbox next to it, and after that click on add here, and that is going to allow Google Chrome to create live captions automatically for supported languages and for websites you visit. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.